Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're making this super cute sunflower pen topper. It's a fun little project that makes your pens look adorable and cheerful. It's perfect for back-to-school gifts, desk decoration, or just to brighten your day. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new crochet video. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Work 6 single crochets into the ring, then slip stitch to close. You should have 6 stitches in total. You're doing great. Take your time with the magic ring. It's the base of our flower. Next, for round 2, chain 1 and make an increase into each stitch around. That's 2 single crochets per stitch. At the end, you'll have 12 stitches. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. Moving on to round 3, chain 1, then repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, then an increase, 6 times. You'll end with 18 stitches. It's really taking shape now. Keep those stitches even. For round 4, chain 1, then make 18 single crochets evenly around. Awesome progress. This completes the center of our sunflower. Now let's crochet the sunflower petals. We'll make 2 separate pieces for extra fullness. In each piece, repeat the following pattern 9 times. Chain 3, then into the next stitch. Work a sequence of double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet. Chain 2 and slip stitch back into the same stitch. Then chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch to finish the petal. Repeat this 9 times to complete 1 round of petals. You're creating beautiful texture. Don't worry if the petals curl a bit. That's totally fine. Now let's make the pen cover. Using green yarn, chain 8. Then work 8 single crochets back along the chain. Slip stitch to join the round. This forms the base of the pen sleeve. For rounds 2 to 12, chain 1, then make 8 single crochets in each round and slip stitch to close. Repeat this for a total of 11 rounds. Tip: adjust the number of rounds based on your pen's length. You're almost there. Keep those rows neat and consistent. Finally, let's crochet a cute little bow. Just chain 45 with your white yarn. You can tie it around the flower base for a sweet finishing touch. Simple, but so charming. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope your sunflower pen brings you lots of smiles. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cute and fun crochet projects. See you next time, and happy crocheting!